Hello everyone. We are representing our MERN Stack internship project titled Homely Hub. I am Lavanya and with me are K. Grishma and T. Radha Devi. We will explain what MERN is, why we choose it, our project goals, architecture, technologies used, and implementation approach and conclusions. Here's a quick overview. MERN is a full stack JavaScript solution, MongoDB for the database, Express.js and Node.js for the backend, and React.js for the frontend. Using JavaScript throughout the stack lets us use the same language across the entire application, which speeds up development, reduces context switching, and simplifies data handling between the client and server. MERN is widely used for building dynamic and responsive single page applications. Here is the goals of our internship. Our internship goals were both technical and professional. Technically, we wanted hands-on experience building full stack features like API creation, database modeling, authentication, and responsive UIs. Professionally, we aim to improve teamwork, communication, planning, and time management. Essentially, the goal was to bridge theory and real development practice so we are industry ready. Additionally, the internship aims to enhance professional and interpersonal skills such as teamwork, communication, and time management. It encourages students to gain confidence in handling real time challenges and web applications. Here is the project overview. A project Homely Hub is a web application for tourists to find and book rooms near their location. Users can also search by location, view price, and make bookings. Hosts can list rooms and update availability. The platform focuses on simplicity and quick discovery. The core flows are search, view details, authentication, and booking. We built it with a responsive design so it works on both mobile and desktop. Here are the project requirements. These are our technical requirements. A MongoDB, which is a database to persist user listing and booking data. Node.js plus Express to build RESTful APIs. React is used for front-end user interface. JWT base, it is a based authentication and CRUD operations for listing and basic testing and error handling. We also needed deployment readiness, environment configuration, and clear API documentation. This is the architecture and design. Our architecture is modular, uh, front end, back end, and database layers. The front end consumes REST APIs exposed by backend, which is Express or Node. The backend handles business logic, validation, and database access using MongoDB. This separation makes the app scalable and maintainable, enabling independent updates to UI or server without major coupling. We followed REST principles for endpoints and structured the code into controllers, routes, and models. Full stack is the process of creating both the front end, what the user sees, and the back end, which is server, database, and logic of a web application. This includes using front-end languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backend languages like Python, Java, or PHP, along with databases and server deployment. The front-end handles UI and user interactions. We used React to build reusable components for the search page, listing cards, booking form, navigation bar, and authentication pages. The front end is the client side part of web application that users see and interact. It also focuses on visual design, layout, and user experience of the website. The technologies used in front end are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. React's component based model allowed quick user interface iteration and state management using hooks. For styles, we use CSS. The frontend calls backend APIs to fetch listings and submit bookings. The backend is the server side of a web application that handles data logic between the frontend and the database. It ensures the app runs smoothly and securely. The technologies used in backend are Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and APIs. The backend responsibilities included creating REST APIs for user authentication, listing management, search, and bookings. We used Node.js with Express.js to structure routes and middleware. Key backend features like input validation, JWT based error handling, and connecting to MongoDB. We organized code into models, controllers, and rules for clarity and maintainability. My teammate Grishma will continue.
Thank you for the introduction, Lavanya. And I will be explaining about the MERN Stack and how we use it in our project Homely Hub. The MERN Stack is a full stack JavaScript framework used to build modern web applications. It combines four main technologies: MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, and all based on JavaScript, which allows developers to use a single language throughout the entire project. Each technology plays a specific role. MongoDB handles the database, Express.js manages backend logic, React.js creates the user interface, and Node.js runs the server environment. Together, they make web development faster, efficient, and scalable, which is why Marin is a widely used in software industry today. Now let's look at each component in detail. MongoDB is a non-SQL database that stores data in JSON-like documents instead of traditional tables. This gives flexibility to handle unstructured and dynamic data efficiently. It's known for speed, scalability, and ease of integration with the JavaScript. In our project, MongoDB is used to store user details, room information, and booking data safely and efficiently. Once the data is stored, the next step is to manage it and the backend. That's where Express.js comes in. Express.js is a backended web framework built on top of Node.js. It helps developers manage routes, requests, and responses easily. Express also supports RESTful APIs, which allow smooth communication between the front end and back end. It's lightweight, fast, and highly flexible, making it perfect for creating strong server side applications. In our project, Express.js handles all backend logic and connects the front ended with the database. After the backend is ready, we need to build a powerful user interface. For that, we use React.js. React.js is a JavaScript library used to design interactive and dynamic user interface. It uses a component based architecture which makes the code reusable and easy to maintain. React also uses a virtual DOM which updates only the parts of a web page that change, improving performances and speed. In our project, React.js helps create smooth, user-friendly interface where users can easily browse and book rooms. Now let's move to the technology that connects all these components together. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to run on the server side. It builds on Chrome's V8 engine, making it fast, lightweight, and efficient. Node.js uses a non-blocking event-driven architecture, allowing it to handle multiple requests at the same time, which is ideal for real-time web applications. In our project, Node.js servers has the foundation, running the backend server and linking MongoDB, Express, and React together. Now that we have seen how each MERN components work, let's look at how we implemented them in our project Homely Hub. Our project is titled Homely Hub, which is a web-based rental platform. The main goal of our project is to make it easier for users to find and list available rooms in different areas quickly and safely. Here's how we used MERN Stack technologies in our project. MongoDB stores all the user and room details. Express.js and Node.js handles the backend. They process requests, manage routes, and connect to the database. React.js is used for the front-end interference, where users can search, filter, and book rooms easily. Our project provides a reliable, responsive, and user friendly platform that promotes local hosting opportunities and simplifies the room rental process for everyone. Now that we have understood the technical implementation, to conclude, our project Homely Hub showcases the effective use of the MERN stack in developing a full stack web applications. The platform provides a simple, secure, and user friendly way for users to find and list available rooms easily. By using MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, we successfully built a system that connects the front ended and back ended efficiently, ensuring smooth performance and real time functionality. Through this project, we gained practical knowledge of how different web technologies work together, from database management to interference design. Thank you for listening. Now, I would like to hand over to my teammate Radha Devi, who will explain the project demo.
So this is our Homely Hub project. We can search any type of destination here. Let us search Goa. These are the two different places we find in Goa. Based upon our needs, we can select whatever we want.
And let us choose another destination, Tamil Nadu. Here in Tamil Nadu, there are three types of places what we can visit. Based upon our needs, we can choose our destinations. So these are the various destinations present here. So we can choose the starting date to ending date, checkout and check-in dates, and number of guests we want. Based upon that, we will get, and we can check our price ranges from maximum to minimum, how much range should be there, and what type of property we need, either a house, flat, or a guest house or a hotel. Based upon our needs, we can book. And there is also a room type, entire room, normal room, or any type of a rooms based upon our needs. And we have Wi-Fi, AC, TV, free parking, kitchen, washing machine, pool. Based upon our needs, we can book whatever we want, and we can search based upon our comforts also. So these are the various things we have. Let's come to our home page again. So these are the very different beautiful places which we have in our Homely Hub project. And we have the benefit to check whatever we want based upon our needs and amount. Let's see this one. Here, these are the pictures, and it offers some special offers based upon our needs. And these are the pictures, beautiful pictures, what we have. And it is 3,400 per night. Based upon our range, we can choose whatever we want here. We can minimize or maximize the price range based upon our needs. So whatever we want, we can choose here. Uh, we can choose our room type, property type, and what are the special needs we need. We can choose and we can apply, and we can book our accommodation happily. So this is very comfortable for booking this website. So here there is a special thing that we about there is a description about the place, and here these are the pictures of this place. We can see the pictures and we can go to the place, and we have check-in and check-out dates. We can book and we can go, and there is a special thing that here there is a location. We can zoom in and zoom out the location, and we can clearly know about the location, place, and all. And there is extra information about this place and what were the timings and all. Coming to the main page, let's see another one. This is the another page in Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Here is a description, and maximum number of guests are allocated only two. It offers some special kinds of needs like kitchen, TV, free parking, and here is extra information about the place. So it's very easy to find what is our needs, and based upon our comforts and our financial thing, we can choose a place and we can search there and we can visit for a particular place. It's very easy, and it's feel very comfort. Let's see Tamil Nadu. Here it is in UT. And description and maximum number of guests is here 6 members, and the price range is 5,000 per night. And here there is a location, we can zoom and zoom out, and we can visit the place very happily. And there is also extra information about this check-in and check-out time and all, etc. And these are the pictures of this place. Let's see another location. These are the things what they provide here. We can see whatever we want. Let me check in and check out times. And here maximum number of guests are 16. So 17 members are not allocated for here. We need to see the guests should be in between 1 to 16. So 17 is not allowing here. So let's choose the guests are 12. Okay, no, let's choose only one number. It's better. So let's give our name. For example, let's give ABC. Let's give our phone number, random phone number. So I'm booking for this place only for 1 day. So here I'm booking for only 1 day. So it is taken number of nights one and total amount is 2,500 per night. And we can book this place and we can go into that place. It's very comfortable thing. So this is our project. Thank you.